What's going on, YouTube? It's LS Craze here, back with another video. This is going to be the rear install of the Pedders coilovers. It's just a quick little video of the installation. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave comments below, and also don't forget to like and subscribe so we can pump out more content. I have a couple more videos I'm working on as we speak. I got a couple new items that came in, and I'm going to be doing reviews on one of those items, and then I have something else that I'm going to reveal to the channel. So you guys stay tuned. Like I said, I need y'all guys to like and subscribe and comment below. Hey, let's get to this video. Alright, so we're doing the coilover install. I'll let you guys know. So you gotta take this inlet. So first we jack the car up. That's the first step. Take the wheel off. So first step, take the inlet off. Alright, so we took the inlet bolt off. The nut. Actually, let me put this nut back on here. Alright, so we got the inlet, and you gotta take the bolt out of here, which is right here. You take this out, and then you take this one out. Alright, so once you take these two out, in order to get this out of there, what you do is you put your foot here, and you just step on it real hard, and this will pop out. Alright, so now we up to this step. So we're going to take these four bolts out right here. 15 millimeter. Alright, start this out. Now it's time to compress this. Press the spring. So we got the spring compressed. Alright, and we are taking the melt off. It's 18 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter Allen wrench. Alright, so ran into one problem. It's a hole, well, it's not a hole there where it is now, but in the beginning, when you put the coilover in there, the Pedders coilover, Pedders, wherever, however you want to pronounce it, this is going to be like a little tab, kind of like in there. You got to punch it out or drill it out, one of the two, so that way the coilover can go up inside of here. Yeah, so alright, so we're going to test this out and see if it works. So we have it installed. So yeah, you punch that little piece out that I told you, and it'll go right up in there.